Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Sandwin. Today we are going to draw a scenery. First, draw some stones in different shapes. Then draw a tree. Then the leaves of the tree. Then draw grass. Then a sleeping lion. Now we'll start coloring. Take lemon yellow and put it in semicircle shape. Then take medium yellow. After that, take orange and color the sky. Now take tissue, fold it and mix the sky. Now take sap green and color the leaves of the tree. Then take brown and color the branches. Now mix the tree. Now take any two greens and color both the grass. Then mix the grasses. Now take ultramarine blue and color for the water. Color in sleeping. Then mix the water. Now take black and color the edges of the stones. Now take grey and color it below black. Now take tissue and mix. Subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.